Hi, welcome to Nasware channel. In the previous tutorial, we have shown you about how to install Woocommerce and create simple setup. In here, we need to custom our URL. If you can see there, our URL is not beautiful because there is index.php in here. And for setting just like this, you can go to settings and permalinks, and then you can choose post name or whatever without index.php, and you can save change or you can create custom for your product permalink. But in here I just save change in here. If you can see now, your shop page is without index.php. That's all tutorial how to custom our WooCommerce URL.